Even knowing she is the she. Oh no. She is the antagonist of this franchise. It makes you. You up that fire, you better break one. Nigga wants the house. Still to this day, I'm on FaceTime talking with the pals. Like is they with me or against me? Probably won't be surprised. Can I take a minute for to tell you how I'm living? I'd rather show you fuck the critics. I'ma try you about to kill. Young nigga put up in that Billy with no head. This emotion. Young nigga put up in that Billy with no head. This emotion picture from the trenches. Check how niggas keep forward with big bitches. I'll get with it, yeah. Whole lot of big bitches fuck around and I speak, yeah. Strap down with it, fuck around and I keep it, yeah. Sitting down my wish, still got some pigeon, yeah.
First person to stain my shirt gets $100.
Really? Did you like it? Are you sure? Don't worry, it's not hot. Get the towel!
It looked like he was still.
More solutions to increase productivity, security, and enhance your wireless networks with our cloud and managed technology solutions. Learn how Bob can support for your business in a free technology evaluation.
This is too hot to put in your mouth. It's too hot to put in your mouth.
Don't try
You have to rest. Let's take the fight to them.
Mama. So, you know why girls get all the light-skinned boys?
Tell me about it.
No.
She said, let me live. Let me live.
Girls get more light-skinned boys got the toys.
Leave.
We only got one line.
There's a prison over there. I gotta see what this prison is. Yep, I need this. Look how she's stalking me. Wait. Let me get. I want to save it. To be honest, I'm not about to be replaying the same parts over and over and over again.
No, sir. No,
Let me see the remote.
Alright, what notes do we get? Easy money. Yeah, we got that one already. AC inspection. Thank you for contacting low budget building contractors. We have a preliminary inspection. Find nothing wrong with your ventilation system. Loud noise reported. Don't Keith was no help. Hi Dave. Okay, bro. We only dealing with one animatronic right now, and it's this difficult. Why are you on my cheeks, Chica? I think this is the place. I don't really like stealth games that much because they just take so long. Like if I had an AR, my Call of Duty run. All right, Landrock gifts. Of course, we got a security bump. I need to come up with a nickname. My gosh, no! All right, she's coming in. She teleported here. She said, Gregory, hide! Did you hear her? She said, don't you just love the Corey Kitchen channel? Like, it's always just a roll of the dice. Is Corey gonna complete this game, or are we gonna be waiting 3 years to see the end? We can't use the magnet to get the key card out the machine. See, they got the mall music playing. This is literally a mall. Look at this. Look at this scoundrel. Can he hear me? Jeez. Oh, hit us a little 360. They always hit a 360. Can't use the magnet. Keep magnets away from this machine. I got a magnet. Let's go!
The magnet scrambled the machine.
Grab it.
Oh man, not some kind of daycare pass?
Hey, grab it.
Great news. I will meet you in the daycare. The entrance is on the second floor balcony.
Alright. Ooh. Chica's over there. What? On mission? Yep. Daycare. Got it. Chica, let me get to the daycare, alright? Look at it. Dehydrated chicken feet. Who wants Jergens? You know you have no business walking around with them ashy feet, girl. You gotta be laying up in bed with your girl, and she just got ashy feet going.
I said, dang.
You don't get your ashy feet. No, they're not. Look at this. Chica named her. I have to throw this in the garbage.
You talking about somebody with some ashy feet?
Please. Daycare, we in here.
Right?
Save point. What's that?
Now what you doing? Hey.
Collectibles, I take those all day, every day. What you got for me?